How to download Minecraft for free. So if you want to download Minecraft for free, then what you need to do is first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go with the search. And here you need to search for Minecraft. Once you search, you need to go with www.minecraft.net, and here it will take you to the website, right? And here on the upper right, you may have Play Minecraft option. But if you don't have, you can simply go with the bottom left, and here you will have Get Minecraft option, right? Simply click on it, and then it will have all of the Minecraft versions. So here you will have the Deluxe collection and the normal collection. And you don't need to worry because you don't have to pay from here. What you need to do is simply go with the login here option, which is on the bottom right. Click on login here and then log in with your Microsoft account. Go and sign in with Microsoft. And once you've done that, now if you scroll down, here you will get download launcher option, right? So you can simply choose the option of download launcher, but if you don't have that option, you can go with the new tab, and under new tab, you can search for Minecraft launcher download. Once you've searched here, you need to go with the first, which is download Minecraft and server software. Click on that, and here you will get an option of download launcher for Windows 10 or 11. So simply click on it, and it will start the download. But if you're using Mac or any other devices, then you can simply go with need a different flavor and then go with download Windows Legacy Launcher or download launcher for Mac or Android or iOS. So as I'm using Windows, so I'll be choosing Windows 10 or 11. And then once you've downloaded, you can go with your download and then double click on the file. Once you double click on it, then it will install the application. So you just need to simply go with install, which is here. First click on I have read and accepted the terms and conditions, and then go with install, and it will start installing. Now the installation has been done. So you can simply click on let's go and you'll be able to play the game. Or you can go with your apps, and then if you search for Minecraft, then here you will have the Minecraft application. So that's how you can install the Minecraft. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.